Welcome to Learn Swahili in www.swahiliplatform.blogspot.com or in www.linguakswahili.blogspot.com. My name is Marco Henry. After looking the sound practice in a simple style, so the following is a sound practice in a complex style. Pay attention to ba, baba, bebe, bibi, bobo, bubu, cha, chacha, cheche, chichi, chocho, chuchu, da, dada, dede, didi, dodo, dudu, fa, fafa, fefe, fifi, fofo, fufu, ga, gaga, gege, gigi, gogo, gugu, ha, haha, hehe, hihi, hoho, huhu, ja, jaja, jeje, jiji, jojo, juju, ka, kaka, keke, kiki, koko, kuku, la, lala, lele, lili, lolo, lulu, ma, mama, meme, mimi, momo, mumu, na, nana, nene, nini, nono, nunu, pa, papa, pepe, pipi, popo, pupu, ra, rara, rere, riri, roro, ruru, sa, sasa, sese, sisi, soso, susu, ta, tata, tete, titi, toto, tutu, va, vava, veve, vivi, vovo, vuvu, wa, wawa, wewe, wiwi, wowo, wuwu, ya, yaya, yeye, yiyi, yoyo, yuyu, za, zaza, zeze, zizi, zozo, zuzu, gha, gaga, gege, gege, gogo, gugu, dha, dhadha, dhedhe, dhidhi, dhodho, dhudhu, tha, thasa, thethe, thithi, thotho, thuthu, nya, nyanya, nyenye, nyinyi, nyonyo, nyunyu, nga, nganga, ngenge, ngingi, ngongo, ngungu, sha, shasha, sheshe, shishi, shosho, shushu. That was all about the sound practice in a complex style. It's advised that it's better to practice more in order to master the Swahili sounds well. Also, you would attempt the exercise that have been prepared for you in the series of the lessons about the Swahili sounds. This can help you to test your skills about the Swahili sounds. You can also contact us via